My name is Idris Demir, and today we have another unboxing video. And to start, I have ordered some phone accessories from dbrand and received this package. You may have noticed that the top cover is already open slightly. More on that later. So let's proceed with opening of this package. We have quite a lot of items. First, we have the coloring. We have one small microfiber cloth which comes in white. Then we have here the Robot City coloring book. Which reflects a lot due to this packaging. Another small microfiber cloth here. Then we have the grip phone case. As you can see from its logo, and it comes in this black and black color. I really like the smooth texture of the box, and inside we can see the case itself and the light mode X-ray skin. Next, we have another grip phone case. On hindsight, I think it's like a bonus, but I didn't order this one. I only ordered one. So moving on, we have the Ghost phone case in its white on white color. On the inside, we have the case itself with a plastic cover. Here is another X-ray skin, but now in a dark mode color. Then two more microfiber cloth in white color, and the X-ray skin for AirPods grip case, which I ordered. Let's go ahead and clean up a little bit and then showcase them one by one. But for my order, I purchased one Pixel 7 Pro grip case, one Pixel 7 Pro grip case skin, which is the X-ray. They were in promo, so I got two versions, which is light and dark. One Pixel 7 Pro Ghost case, one AirPods 3 grip case, one AirPods 3 grip case skin with the X-ray, again with two versions. So if you go back and check the items, I got another grip case for the phone, but not the grip case for AirPods. I feel like it was missing since the package was slightly open from the beginning. But anyway, I got this sorted out later on and dbrand delivered. For now, let's open the Robot City coloring book. Hello there. There's another plastic, so we'll cut through it. Let's remove this another plastic covering. Let's check some pages. So this is the coloring book. Right from the bat, I can definitely feel the quality of the paper and the quality overall. Feel like this is not your typical coloring book. There's quite a lot here, like the drawing and whatever they have here. So let's put it here in the corner. Again, here is the Pixel 7 Pro grip case. Let's take it out from the box. And this is also a nice quality phone case. There's also a little weight to it. And from here on the upper right corner, we can get the light X-ray skin. Let's place them nicely. Again, here's the other grip case. And let's also get the dark X-ray skin. Again, here's the AirPods 3 grip case skin. Both light and dark versions. Then finally, here's again the ghost case, which is a plastic transparent case with a black material surrounding it. As always, thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you on the next one.